Boys, we are back at it like a crack addict. Yes, sir, we brought out the whip once again. YouTube is kind of hard in terms of making up with titles. Yun lang naman ako hirap eh. Like, what should I do today? Pero let's see. Ang mga pinagawa ko lang before is... Ay, hindi pala. Kahapon pala nagpa-PMS ako. So, pina-change oil ko siya. Change oil. What else? Then pina-check lahat. Pero mainly change oil lang naman kasi naingitim na yung oil niya. So I think I'm gonna try. May gusto pala akong i-try na mic setup. So instead of the mic being here, masyadong sabog I think. For me Hindi ko pa mahanap kasi yung sweet spot eh. Maganda siya sa trunk. I think I'm gonna put it here. Magnet lang. Tapos I'm gonna make a pull twice siguro dun, just to see how it sounds. So let me know how it goes. The G is back. Right. Hello. Medyo lutang din, nagsasalita ako kanina, wala nga pala, yung mic ko nga pala nasa ano. Let's do a pull. Let's do it. Is it still there though? Yeah.
In 500 meters, slide right.
Medyo tinetest ko na yung ano nito eh, capabilities ng coilovers. Hold on. Reset. Hey, let me know in the comments if that one's dope. Let's see if it flew. Medyo sabog pa rin yung tunog. But I think kailangan ko lagyan ng dead cat, maybe. Yeah, next time. But for now, alis muna ako. Sunduin ko lang yung girlfriend ko. Tapos later on, we'll do some pulls again. I still don't know what I'm gonna do today. But yeah, we're on that grind. This truck is drifting, bro. Bro, look at that. It's freaking drifting, bro. Bro, the longest drift in history. What the hell? What is that? What? Tinap-upan pala ng coolant kasi wala yung reserve. Tsaka change oil. Yes sir. Tapos mamaya bala ko dalhin ko si B sa Southwoods to record some pulls. But for now, since it's Saturday, ako na muna lumabas ng somewhere crowded. So I think dun sa same spot na lagi kong nasan ako, I think di naman siguro masyadong. Pero hindi ko na ibablock kasi
Sabi din.
and tinatanong niya kung imamod ko pa ba daw yung dash. Pero I don't think I will. Although in-offeran ako dun sa Mixstar na pwedeng gawing Alcantara yung interior, tsaka yung dito. May nagsabi nga rin na i-ano ko ilagay ako ng starlights. USDM ba tawag doon? Hindi ko sure eh. Pero 100k for that. Oh, it's far. Pwede pa to sagarin. Pero hindi ko na sasagarin. I won't take any more stupid ass risk. Ito pala yung sticker eh. B. May nakita ko libreng sticker. Kapit ko na kaya dun. Pero parang ganito daw kasi yung sticker na ilalagay. Somewhere here. Pero I don't want it to be ruined. Oh, look at the color of that. Freaking green, freaking red. It's murdered out. Tapos lalagay mo ng ganun. Oh, hell na. Sheesh. Nagising ko yung guard dun kanina. Sorry, guard. Forgot my watch. I feel naked. Palampasin lang natin yung tao. Ooh-wee. Hide the RPMs. Yeah. Ginawa ko ng 7K yung red line. Laging nagre-red eh. Sa videos. Kahit ano pa lang. Sinet ko kasi 5.5K lang. Para mag-red siya. Pero now, 7K siya. So, hindi siya masyadong tawag dun, overstimulating. I don't know. Okay, let's head to the United States of Alabang. Lego.
Probably too crazy we go. Ride him up in the horse. Power be off at the line. You're riding too tough in the road. We ballin' too crazy we hoes. She wanna pull out the shows.
That might be the loudest yet na narinig ko yung exhaust tunnel. Pero kanina no, 86, I threw a thumbs up. He did one too, so that's cool. I mean, despite all the hate in the comments, it's cool to see it's cool to feel a wholesome moment once in a while. Di ko naman na-pick up sa camera, pero I said, that's my next car, bro. But yeah, once we're monetized, I'm gonna buy that. Baka black again. Meron akong build na gagawin. Like netong FD, bago ko bilhin, alam ko na yung gagawin ko dito eh.
300 meters.
Bonus na lang yung mga
Commerce Avenue.
like steering wheel, di ko naman na-anticipate na magbibili ako ng ganun. Tapos yeah, look, we're here again. Same old. Walang kamatayan, sir. Whoop, my bad, man.
Turn right onto Commerce Avenue.
Hey, you remember that video cutting up with a Beamer? Mukha lang malayo sa camera, pero I was keeping my safe distance. So, pero si Bit takot na. Layo-layo ka sa sa kotse eh. Pero pag BMW talaga ganun eh, no? Germany's. Let me check my parking. Ayoko na isagad to. Tama to. Siguro onti pa. Onti pa. Basta ako masyado. Just a bit. She wanna be my free just a bit. Okay. Uy, si Chichay. Kulay brown. Yeah. Layo pa. I don't think tatama to though. Sagad ko pa nga. Pwede yan. Sheesh, my boy. My lady. Malaria. FD ko lang ba yung nag-automatic yung... Kahit di naman siya automatic doors, automatic siya nagko-close every time bubuksan mo. Look. Crazy. But we here. Tambay lang saglit. Yeah. Tapos later, dadalhin ko siya sa Southwoods to record some pools. Di ko na isasagad talaga lagi. Yung parang ganyan. You'll never know how high. So far lahat ng nadadali ako dun sa sa pinaka stupid na risk, dun sa pinaka mabagal, dun sa walang motion. Dati nagasgas yung diba, yung gilid. Sobrang bagal lang nun. Tapos sa Festi, kahit naman di ko kailangan i-back up ng todo. Di ko alam ba't tinry ko pa eh. Pero wala namang damage though. Just fiber, just bumper. Can replace it anytime. But let's go. Enough of me yapping. Pogi kasi. Can't stop yapping about this. Kasi last year, pinapangarap ko lang to. But now I got it. So you can't blame me. Sheesh. Baby. And Abby. Stars is back. Hindi ko alam, nakadalawang ulit ako. Sabi ko, hot chocolate. But they gave me whatever this is. Parang mystery box. Mystery drink. Taste test. Ano hula mo yan? Oh my god, twe. Sheesh. Sa malayo pa lang, pogi na eh. Ano ba't sa malayo pa lang kasi ako lang yung naka-usli eh. Because I'm scared to scrape my rear bumper again, bro. I ain't scraping that shit no more. I ain't taking no stupid risk again. But we out. Ayan lang kami. Last cheat day. Woo-wee! Yeah, let's bounce. Ooh, the lights. Ang problem dito minsan delay eh. Pagka parang kapon ata or one time, di Di siya nag-open agad, so akala ko parang na-disconnect. Pero inantay ko lang mga few days, few minutes. Bumalik na rin, so wala lang. Akala ko babalik na naman ang QC para paayos eh. But we out. Bro, I'm gonna go to the left, bro. Let me in, my boy. I freaking scrape again, my lip. GG's, let's see. Freaking Saturday, bro. I hate this. Pero dito lang kami magpa-park. Instead sa Mulets. Come on, twin. See, walang tao. Pwede mo gawing cone tong... Pwede mo gawing cone tong ano. Ang dilim nga lang daw. Sheesh. So where we gonna go? Doon na sa may light? I think I'm gonna go there. Into the light. Where do I... Ito lang sa misters. Sir, let's eat. Should I eat chicken chunks or franchise? I ain't gonna lie. Nakakamiss yung chicken chunks though. GG, nawawala na naman yung parking ticket. No, gubayad na naman akong 500. Sheesh. Bro, I'm cooked. Ain't no way I lost that. Okay, we found it. Di kasi kita sa ilaw eh. Anyway, dagdag ko kaya ito sa collection. Ano ba, meron akong Jollibee na stands, tsaka Chowking, tsaka KFC. Pero rare na yun, kasi yung Jollibee saan yun eh? Jollibee sa, ano yun ba? Jollibee Magallanes. Eh wala na yung Jollibee dun, so should be a rare piece of item. How much am I selling? Ingit ako dun sa iba, meron sila yung mismong Jollibee stand. Parang 5 ata yan sa bahay. Hindi ko lang paano mo nakuha yun, pero ang lupit. Alam ko dito nakapark sila kay Andre last time eh. Yung nandun ako, vlogception. Hey, looking clean, baboy. Bumili na pala ako sarili kong tire shine. But I didn't clean it though before applying. Yeah, looks good, bro. Tapos yung in-apply ko, tama, wala na ulit. Kita na ulit, talagang temporary lang. Dito yung pinaka main issue, yung pinaka super yung white. Pero dito kahit pa paano, I don't know, bro. Para siyang tire shine na temporary. Isa cowling. Freaking scrape again, bro. Magkano ba ang lip na plastic? Sana mura lang. If not, edi fiber. Baya, paparepaint ko lang naman yun eh. I don't think it's that damaged naman. Well, let's see. Yo. Eee, bro, that's so big. What the? The ritual. Oo nga. Wala. Madami tao sa franchise. Franchise. We're about, I have yet to do some pulls. Pwede pala dito sa tapat ng Jatot eh. Wait, thumbnail. I need some thumbnails, boys. I finished photo shoot for the thumbnail. Thumbnail gonna be fire. But it's time to do some pulls. Time to head to Southwoods. Tapos we'll do some pulls. 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 Buti di tayo sinita. Okay lang yun. No parking, no waiting anytime. But yes, photo shoot. Kailangan nakadaan dito. Hey, yes sir. Okay, dito nga ang pupul. Hey. Ay. Mababa kita somewhere, B. Sarap doon sa tunnel, no? Baba kaya kita sa tunnel. May mga gwardiya kasi dito, kaya okay na siguro yung dalawa. I'm low-key scared, Angola. Oh, I'm getting chased. Don't chase me, my man. Don't chase me, my bro. I ain't U-turning. I'm scared, low-key. Before we head home, kakabit ko lang yung mic sa trunk. Shift. Okay. 74.
Nag-iantay naman siya.
Ilang? 74. Dumi. Shit. Sheesh. Hi boys, I'm in the vlog here. So we got 2.6. Wow. Yeah, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, road to 1K subs. Inalain ko lang ako actually for monetization. So every like, every sub, it goes a long way. It's one step towards the Toyota 86. Thank you, boss. Alright, so if you enjoyed that movie, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let's go.
Oh, I got what you need and I keep telling baby get with there outside. Do what it is, I got the risk, but the end of it is Malaki lang tingin sa baba dumi, bakit di mo masabihin alright? Meet me outside the club, 1,000 fuck shit up.